Affiliate marketing tips that deliver excellent results. Perhaps you've heard of people making huge quantities of cash on affiliate marketing. This article will assist you in turning all your affiliate marketing visions into reality. Affiliate marketing has lots of limitless ideas and tricks you can use to increase your sales numbers, and one excellent method to get more traffic is to provide people with something totally free. You can give this away to faithful subscribers if you can create an information product discussing some actions about affiliate marketing. If you have a big spending plan, delegate as lots of affiliate marketing jobs as possible. By utilizing other individuals to do the boring, recurring jobs involved in affiliate marketing, you free up your own time which you can utilize to deal with new marketing techniques and approaches and research new affiliate programs, services, and products. Success in affiliate marketing will never ever be achieved by putting a million banners up all on one site. Choose your banners thoroughly and keep your site mess totally free. Too many banners can make your site feel frustrating to a user, making them less likely to click any banners or become repeat visitors. To promote your affiliate marketing items most efficiently, you can write a totally free book or paper on the subject and provide it away on your site. You can also convert it into Kindle format and offer it for little to no money on the Amazon site. This will develop more interest in your product. Include timers on your cellular phone or PDA to guarantee that you leave all affiliate marketing conferences with a lot of time to make it to your next visit. When the time comes, set an audible alarm so that you have a reason to leave. If you are late to any conference, it reflects poorly on your track record. Keep your short articles relatively brief. Promoting your affiliate products means writing lots and lots of posts. A 400-word, very focused short article will hold your reader's attention much better than an 800-word essay. Do not get captured up in attempting to jam too much quality information into one post. Each article ought to resemble a snack 3 to 4 good pieces of detail, an eye-catching title, and a conclusion with a call to action. Affiliate programs vary tremendously in regard to the services and payment structures that they provide. If one program doesn't seem to fit your revenue objectives, then consider a different one with various financial arrangements. There are numerous large affiliate networks. Don't forget about the smaller-sized ones as an exceptional source of income. Making an excellent living off of affiliate marketing isn't just a dream. With the suggestions in this short article, you'll be able to join lots of others who make fantastic money through affiliate marketing. Success in affiliate marketing will never ever be accomplished by putting a million banners up all on one site. To promote your affiliate marketing items most effectively, you can compose a free book or paper on the topic and offer it away on your website. Add timers to your cell phone or PDA to make sure that you leave all affiliate marketing conferences with plenty of time to make it to your next consultation. Making an excellent living off of affiliate marketing isn't simply a dream. With the tips in this short article, you'll be able to sign up with the many others who make terrific cash through affiliate marketing. Thank you for looking at my video. From Ian Jackson.